Hey,
Hello.
I'm Blue.
Not speak English.
Oh.
Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette. And everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen. I'm blue, I would need, I would die. 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 I'm blue, I would need, I would die. 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 I would need, I would die.
Sorry, I can't hear the music too loud.
I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color I bought that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my garment, it's standing outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm dying. 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 I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm dying. 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 I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color I thought that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are too. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people that walk around. Blue like my garden, it's standing outside. Blue are the words I say and what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me. I'm blue, I would need, I would die. 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 I'm blue, I would need, I would die. 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 Inside and outside, blue his house with a blue little window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around. Cause he ain't got nobody to listen to. I'm blue, I would need, I would die. 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 I'm blue, I would need, I would die. I would need, I would die.
Okay, that's enough of that. Hello? I just whooped that kid's ass with some blue music, man. Isn't that awesome? I haven't seen your face in 4 years. Nobody's seen your face ever. Sorry, that was rude. I don't know what got over me. Ugh. They're literally driving to your house right now. Dude, they were pissed. They were pissed off. I was trying to have a good time, and I was like, hi, and then they're like, I can't speak English, and I was like, oh my god. Are you on your period? No. Everyone just wants to know what my period is so they can sync up with me, and it's just like, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. I saw Kayla and Corey in here earlier. Like, what the hell? Her ass is downstairs. I'm blue, gabba dee battle die. Get her in here, dude. I'm like going to bed. We're all going to bed. It's like 11:44. I just want to go live because I was like, fuck it. You know what I mean? My hair is like gross right now. Yeah. I look like hedgehog hair. I look like a hedgehog. I need to get it all cut off. Would go bald. Thoughts? Y'all go to bed at 11:44? Damn. What, do you go to bed earlier because you have like school in the morning, or? Get another guest in here. They fucking requested me. That's the thing. I always chase, but they should chase me. You know what I mean? I should never be chasing. They should be chasing me. And if they add me, then I'll accept always. But, you know. Where's your accent? That one lady that I spoke to in a country accent got banned. She's gone. I don't chase, I attract. Real! That's what I'm talking about. Her? I'm not a cat. I'm blue. I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm blue, I'm blue. I'm blue. Wait, what, is this somebody? Oh my god, they declined the invite. Oh my god. That one kid that I did a duel with on my birthday, he DM'd me and was like, can we duel every day? And I was like, duel every day? Like, that's way... That is way too much commitment. Like, I can't be doing that shit every day with you. I don't know what I can do every day. Oh. Thank you for that. Oh. Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good. I only have a couple of minutes. Would you like to run a battle with us?
Fuck it, let's battle.
All right, let's do it. What's your name, sweetie pie?
Huh?
What's your name, sweetie pie?
Hoover.
Well, nice to meet you, Hoover.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Chauvin. Just a minute, y'all. I'm Chauvin. And where are you from, Hoover?
I'm from Kentucky.
Ooh, that's a fun state. There's a girl in here. Her name is Bree. She's from Kentucky.
Oh.
Right.
That's awesome.
So what do you do for a living?
You know, I just kind of chill and, you know, go with the vibe of things.
Okay. All right. Cool. All right.
What about you? What do you do?
I am a stripper, madam.
Oh.
I'm actually waiting for a girl to come in right now. I re-glitter them. I put glitter on like their bodies, their pasties, and make sure they have
Where do
glitter on
I
their
sign
face.
up?
Like boobs, I make sure there's no glitter in their clit and Make sure nothing goes up in their hoo-ha. Make sure like
Where's the clit at?
I make sure the bowl is freezed. I make sure all the bills are in the right direction. I make sure all of that stuff is like I basically take care of the girls. I'm like their mom.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm like basically their caregiver.
Could I sign up for a job like that, or is that like not allowed?
Well, I mean, you can apply. I mean, you're not going to take my job.
I'm not. Hey, I'm not trying to go for your job. I'm not trying to go for your job. I'm trying to go for my own career, and maybe that could be my own career path.
I mean, if they have a lot of strip clubs in Kentucky, but
Oh,
I mean,
I've been to all of them. They know me very well.
I mean,
Oh my God.
you have to have tons of glitter, and as soon as you have to have a quick with it, and you've got to be like able to like smush and smear. You got to be able to get your head in there and like get in there. You have to not worry about smell or.
Oh, well, I'm not worried about the smell.
Like, so, like, thank God for COVID, because if COVID wouldn't have hit me, man, I would have quit my job fucking months ago. You hear me? It would have been like, I would have been done like stunned. It would have been whoop, but COVID blessed me, you know? I mean, whew.
Did you get the vaccine?
I did, but I still got it, because, you know, I mean, when you work in a strip club on Bourbon Street, there's like fucking cooties.
Yep. Cooties.
Yeah.
I had cooties when I was a little kid, so I know how that feels.
Well, it was like circle, circle, dot, dot. Now you got the cootie shot. Well, these girls ain't got it. Is this good? Okay. So I'm just waiting for them to come back because they have like 5 songs. So you have to wait for the songs. You have to wait for some guy to do a private dance. Yeah. Hey.
Oh my God, you got a hat. Where did that come from?
Right? I'm like a
Like
rhinestone
a cowboy.
Gifting is 3 points, y'all. 3 times. 3 times.
Whoa, you're kicking my ass right now. What the hell?
Gifting is 3 times right now. 3 times.
Wait, guys, gifting is 3 times. Guys, gifting is 3 times right now.
Drop it like it's hot. Yeah.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot.
Ooh, good song. Good song. Ooh, what the hell? That's a cool ass hat.
Hey, 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 hey. So, what do you do for a living other than just, do you have like alternative jobs?
I drop it like it's hot.
You drop it like it's hot. Well,
I don't really have a job. I'd say I'm unemployed.
Okay. Alexa, volume down. The girls are going to kill me. If they can hear that on the stage, I'm going to get the axe. Hold on. Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. Sorry. I'm going to get the... One of those girls is going to kill me. If they can hear that out there, I'm going to get fucking murdered.
What? They can't kill you?
No, they wouldn't because I take way too good a care of them. So, hold on. Let me see.
Alexa, set alarm.
So, what, no, Alexa, don't set an alarm. Don't listen to him. Jesus, you're gonna get me in trouble.
I'm sorry.
Good Lord.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, cancel, Alexa. Fucking cancel.
Sorry about that.
Hoover.
I didn't mean to. I didn't know that was gonna work. Oh.
Hoover. I gotta tell you, sweet potato. I'm a big old fat liar. I'm a middle school teacher, and I was just yanking your chain.
What?
I'm a maker.
What the hell?
I make tumblers with glitter.
Oh my God.
Not
I thought I had a new career path in my future.
No, I make glittery, sparkly tumblers.
Oh!
I'm not a stripper, madam. I just
Oh my
wanted
God.
to fuck with you.
You can fuck with me. Alexa, set an alarm for 5 a.m. I gotta go.
Alexa, don't do that shit.
Oh my God. She's like, Alexa, don't do that shit. Yeah, she thought she had me fooled. She thought. Yay! Bring her back? She said she only had a couple minutes. So I was like, oh, I guess she's gonna hang. I wanted to get the last laugh. If she's a tumble, I thought for a second she said she's a middle school teacher. And I was like, you're talking about rubbing sparkles on the clit and you're a middle school teacher? I was like, what? What kind of classroom are you teaching? She did? Then what the? What if her students was watching? If I was a teacher and I said that shit, I would be like permanently like banned from the teacher board. Makes teaching fun. Hoover behind you. I'm literally up against a wall. It's honestly a fun game, just like waiting for people to invite me. Because I was some random ass person. That was awesome. She's going into detail about the glitter thing too. I know. Why did she not? I was so convinced. I was like, oh my God. Like, that's awesome. That's a cool job. And I was like, can I sign up? And then she was like, no. I'm a middle school teacher that makes sparkly tumbles. Oh. God. That was so good. Please tell me somebody got clips of me during that shit, because that was... I just kept doing the face. I just kept going... Just kept doing the face to her, because she was like, you gotta smear it all over the boobs and the clit, and I was like... She was so funny. Shout out to her. For real, for real. Did she say that? Yes, I'm not gonna fucking just randomly... Why would I just randomly bring up the clit? She said it first. And then she completely ignored me when I said, where is it? Well, I mean, that's fair enough, but... And she talked about the smell when I said the smell. I said the smell doesn't bother me. I mean, now that she's not a stripper person, I realize that makes me seem like a creep. So that was crazy. Snoop. Snoop. In 30 seconds or less, what could you do if your student loans are paid off? I could buy a bicycle. I don't fucking know. I don't have student debt. Just pay me money. Give me a galaxy, Joe Biden. You think Joe Biden watches my live streams? Or do you think Barron Trump has seen like any of my content? Yeah, that's awesome. When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Joe Biden behind you? No, he's not. Just don't freak me out like that. Are you a Freddie Dredd fan? I love Freddie Dredd. Shout out Freddie Dredd for real. He put me on to Yeet. That's some real shit. Who is this? They have a flag. Please accept it. Oh, what? Unable to connect. Dude, I wonder what kind of crazy fucking people I'm going to connect to when I like move back to Kentucky. Snoop. Wait, psychic reader. Please read my psychic. Ah, hello.
Hi.
Hi, do you do psychic readings?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
Can you read my psyche?
What type of reading would you like? And I am having paid sessions now. It's in my link tree in my bio.
Okay. Can I get something for free?
I have one question for free. Yes or no?
Okay. Okay, wait, so what kind of sessions can I have?
What is that?
What kind of session can I have for free?
It's just a yes or no answer.
Okay. Okay. Let me think.
Double tap that live, guys. Double tap that live.
I got a double tap? Okay. Will I find love in this year?
What I'm picking up, I do see that you are going to find love, but I do see that it's going to be very difficult for you to hold on to.
Why?
Let's get into a reading. I'm having a $10 special.
Oh. Wait, do I get another one for free, or do I have to pay for the next one?
No, it's you can do a 3-card pull. I'm having that for $5.
Oh. Wait, hold on. What if somebody from my chat gave you a gift? Would that pay for it?
No, I'm so sorry. It doesn't work like that. We are working on donations.
Oh, okay.
Like and tap the screen for me, please.
Okay. Wait, do you want to battle?
No, I'm so sorry.
This is a good song.
Can you double tap that screen for me, please, guys? Double tap. Can you tell? Please, I don't get the question.
Are they trying to ask you questions for me?
Yes, can you read that out loud for me, please? Their question.
A lot of people in my chat are saying, is he going to find true love in his life at all? They want that reading to be done.
Like I said, you will find love, but it is going to be difficult.
It'll be difficult to hold on. Yeah.
Why don't you try and get a reading? I'm having a special today.
Wait, it's a special today?
I'm having a special today. I'm having a $10 special.
$10 special? Yahoo! How do I pay?
You can go on my link tree in my bio.
Oh, how do I do this? I don't even know how to click on it. How do I do this? Is this it? Too many times, okay? And by one too many times, I paid for it once. And they said I would find love and I wouldn't have to not be able to hold on to it, okay? I can hold on to love. I can hold on to love. Like, I don't know what to fucking tell you. I can hold on. Where's a psychic reader that is free? You know what I mean? I need a psychic reader who can read me for free. Like, use your powers for good. Hoover, she scared me. Her eyes were sharp like knives. She was glaring into my soul for real. I'm like scrolling. I'm trying to find like another psychic reader. But I can't. Why? Shart on live, you are a freak. Grow up. Hoover, the psychics are going to come find you in the afterlife at this point. I'm not dead yet, so... Oh my god. Born enemy. We meet again.
دولة نهاية دولة كفو منكم
كفو منكم كفو منكم
مثل الدولة يا أخوان دولة
كفو 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 كفو
Not the kafu. No kafu this time. That's cheating.
كفو كفو منكم كفو
Oh, they're cheating. Go up. I'm pointing up now. Guys, donate. Donate to me. Donate, 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 donate. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm moving soon. I'm moving soon. I need money. How do you find these people? I don't find them at all. They find me. I can't do it because I'm holding it. Oh, he's coughing.
كفو 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 منكم كفو كفو كفو.
Come on, we gotta beat them. They have a 7-win streak right now. We can tear down their legacy.
كفو منكم كفو 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 كفو
They're
كفو.
saying Kubu. I'm sorry, moving? Yes, I'm moving. Moving to... The Austin House is ending. I forget that some people don't watch my streams.
كفو 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 كفو.
Oh my god, they're gonna bring it back. Guys, you gotta win this for me. Please, 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 please.
كفو 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 كفو. الله يخلي لك أهلك كفو.
Please, 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 please.
كفو 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 كفو.
Dude, they're gonna bring it back.
من وين الدعم الأول؟ أنت من وين الدعم الأول؟ أنت من وين؟
Where are you moving? I'm moving back home to Kentucky. I thought people knew about this. This shit was like, this is shit is old news. I said this at the beginning of the year. Wait. Oh my god. Good.
كفو 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 كفو. الله يخلي لك أهلك كفو.
Are their own moving? Let them speak on it. I'm moving to Kentucky. Let them speak on where they're moving. Or if they're moving.
الله يرزقك الله يرزقك.
Oh my god. Galaxy, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Who gave that? Who gave that? Infirmi, thank you so much for the gifted. Also, I love everyone like, why Kentucky? I used to live there. I'm moving back with family. Kafu. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
كفو كفو منكم كفو 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 كفو. كفو.
Which ban you? No. I just like going live on here. If aren't guys, am I looking pretty tonight? Oh my god, infirm me. Oh my god, you legend. There's no beef with the goddamn Corys, I love them. Please shot me again? Oh. Do the thing, do it. They did it! They did it. Yay. Oh, she's doing it too! Oh, that's sweet. Oh my god. Oh. Sweet. Dude, so help me God if anyone brings it back. Please, please, just let me win. Just let me win. Let me ruin this streak.
الدولة إن شاء الله يا رب. مع الدعم الأول الدولة إلنا دم معنا. الدولة إلنا إن شاء الله.
I'm blue.
خصم بطاطا.
Someone get the kid at a breakdance heat? What the hell? Oh, Infirmi, bring it at home. 2013. That's the year we're in. 2016. That's the year we were all about to be in.
No.
Can we get it to 2023?
دولة 2000 قولوا 2000 خصم بطاطا عندهم. Let's go. Nice.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! All right. Bye-bye. No, I'm sorry. I gotta go. Bye. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I had to win that one. They're gonna get like some fucking person to give 500 million again, like last time. They're like my second family. I've seen them more than I've seen my real family this year. Oh, what the fuck is that? What is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Layla and Pluto with the whale diving. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? That was so loud. Dude, I feel like I just woke up the whole house. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Layla. You're the GOAT. The GOAT. Wait, that's $50? Holy shit. Oh my lord. God damn. I did let them foul. No, you did that. You did that. Can you send another one? I missed it. Yeah, can you send another $50 fucking thing? Because I totally deserve it for fucking going into somebody's chat and being like, hey, I'm gonna ruin your streak and leave. What the fuck is that? It didn't recognize my face? What the fuck? And for me, thank you so much. Are you wearing a wig? I wish. I'll take this shit off. When I sleep with it, it's like... what the hell is that? What is that? What was that? Chloe stinks with the goddamn dancing beaver. There's a dancing beaver on my screen. I've never seen these in my life. Turn down the damn. Who is it?
Yo,
Yo, what's up?
how you doing? I just hit you with another follow. I don't know why we're not following each other.
Yeah, what the fuck? That's crazy.
All right,
I'm just chilling right now. Oh, you want a match?
This is my last one for the night, no matter what.
Ooh! Hold on, I gotta turn off my fan. People are complaining about it.
Complain about what?
My fan? Oh, it fucking turned back on.
Okay.
So what are you up to tonight? Just chilling, vibing?
Just chilling. It was a good chill day for me. I didn't have too much going on, so.
Word.
What about you?
You know, I chilled. Getting stuff for moving soon, so that's crazy. You know, it's a headache.
Where are you moving to? If you don't want to say that, you don't have to, but.
Do you want to know my address? Can I say that?
If that's what you want to say.
I'm not going to say that. I am moving to Kentucky. Isn't that crazy?
Very nice. Yeah. Why you moving there?
I got family there.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Do you live in Kentucky?
No, I live in Pennsylvania.
Oh, really? Do you know my friend Kyle? He lives there.
Kyle who?
Kyle Stonepa?
Nah. Thank you for the money gun, Nicole.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't. Do you know what place in Pennsylvania? Like what area?
Oh, I don't know. He goes to college somewhere in Pennsylvania, but I don't really know exactly where.
Got you.
I wish I could tell you.
Yeah, that's all good.
Mm-hmm.
So are you in college?
Yeah, I'm in college right now. Oh, I got a cowboy. I just finished up this semester, so that's why I'm moving back home.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You're not doing spring?
No. I got all my credits.
Oh, nice. So you're graduating?
Yep. Crazy.
No. Yeah, you excited for that or what?
Dude, I'm so hyped. It's gonna be crazy.
Do you have a plan for like what you want to do with your like job in the future?
Um, I'm an art major, so I don't know. I have no fucking clue. Like, I don't know if I have any money in the future.
I got you. I got you. Are you lying to me?
No, I'm not. I mean, it's just like I'm laughing at the fact that like I'm literally just like exposing myself and basically admitting I just picked a career path that's not going to give me any money.
All right. I'll believe you.
You can
I'll believe
trust me, man. I don't know why you think I'm lying. How do I know you're not lying about being in Pennsylvania? You know, I don't know how I can see that.
That's true. That's true. That's true. You never know. You never know.
So what about you?
Mine,
What are you in college for? Are you in college?
yeah. Yeah, we got the double points. I'm in college for business administration right now.
Ooh, what do you think you're gonna do after
Open up
college?
my business for sure. Definitely do that.
Ooh, what are you? What's it gonna be?
So right now, like for sure, I know that I could open up another gym or take over my family's gym that we own.
Oh, that's cool.
But we'll see. If anything comes up in my mind that I think would be more successful, then I'll take that path.
That's dope. Love that for you.
Appreciate it, bro. I'm supposed to be asking you about Kaylin Corey. Is that a bad thing to
Yeah,
ask you about?
yeah, you can ask about that. That's my roommate right now.
Okay.
I live with somebody called Kale and Corey,
Okay.
and they're asleep right now, I think, or they're downstairs. So they're chilling, vibing. My roomie.
Nice, nice, nice. Is it pause or just me? I think it's just you, Nicole. Yeah, that's. I got it. I got it. So I guess that was sending me a message.
No, yeah, there's people that like to go from my life to other people's lives to like join in, and then they like to troll me and fucking say a bunch of random shit. So,
I got you. Yeah,
hmm
that's how some of my friends do their lives too, and that's how their lives are.
hmm they always want me to bring up like my past, and they want to bring up all the people I know, and it's like, oh, it's so funny, but like I don't care, man.
Yeah, I got you. I got you.
hmm
Yeah, we are not losing this. My side needs to pull through for me because I'm not trying to go to bed all emotional and sad about my loss.
What the hell? Don't beat yourself up about this, man.
Nah, I'm just playing with you.
Oh, okay, you got a bright future ahead of you.
That's the plan, right?
hmm American dream.
Yep, yep. That is the plan. We'll see though. I think I'm good. I think I'll be good.
I believe in you, man. I believe in you.
Oh, we almost pulled through. We almost pulled through them all.
That was close, though. That was pretty close. You
It
almost had
was.
me at the end there.
I know. All right. Well, if you're ever on live, I'll hop on with you again. All
Okay,
right.
that's awesome. I'm down, man.
All right.
Good
Sounds
night.
good, bro. Have a good night.
You too. Dude, he like started like pressuring me because I was like, "Are you lying to me?" And I was like, "Oh shit." He caught on. I don't go to college at all. I was at one point going to say, "Oh my god, everyone in my chat saying that we look like twins." No, I was gonna say we look like twins. But then I was like, is he gonna like take that offensively? And I don't even want to know what that reaction would be. And then I was also thinking about, because I saw Oxel was in chat. I was gonna say, my friends think I'm really fat. Set up for the gym, so can I? But I didn't do that one either because I was like, I don't know if that guy can handle that question. Putting them on the spot with my fucking fat questions. But he didn't know Stonepo, which is interesting. Surprising. Okay, they keep one more, okay? You get one more.
وهذا خسروا لي إياه خسروا لي إياه
They keep spamming me.
إحنا بخسروا ولا لا؟ إحنا نكتب لي إيه وإحنا بخسروا.
How these people they kept spamming me. Like, I'm not joking, like every 5 seconds would have been them spamming me. I'll give them one more.
Yeah, one more.
One more. I'm bringing in I'm bringing an alternate tactic back.
Nein, nein, nein. الدولة يا أخوان الدولة مذبوح.
Alternate tactic, bringing it back. Hold on.
Listen up, here's a story about a little guy that lives in a blue world. And all day and all night, and everything he sees is just blue. Like him, inside and outside. Blue his house with
He's dancing with me.
a window and a blue Corvette. And everything
Thing is blue for him and himself.
and everybody around, 'cause he ain't got nobody to listen.
كفو منكم كفو كفو كفو.
Dancing Beaver! Thank you, Layla. She bobbing her head? She's with the music, man. This music's for the people.
I have a blue house with a blue window. Blue is the color I found that I wear. Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue. I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my daughter, it's standing outside. Blue are the words I say when I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me.
I'm blue, da ba dee ba boo bye.
كفو 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 منكم كفو كفو كفو.
He's dancing with me. Hey, dance off, dance battle. It's a dance off.
Blue are the streets and all the trees are blue.
Get sturdy.
I have a girlfriend and she is so blue. Blue are the people here that walk around. Blue like my car that is standing outside. Blue are
Turn on the light.
I say what I think. Blue are the feelings that live inside me.
I'm blue. I'm hitting the Luddy in bed. My hair is so crazy. If the granny starts dancing, I give you all permission to give them a galaxy. Blue Corvette, and everything is blue for him and himself and everybody around, 'cause we ain't got nobody to listen. Dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die, dabba die. Four, three, two, 1, 0. W. I gotta go, but have fun dancing. Yay! What a perfect ending. He's gonna hit Gmon? No, he's not. That kid is nice. Knock that off. How do you end up in these spaces? Oh my. Let me join. I was about to go to bed. I thought that was a good conclusion. What is this fucker?
Wait, where's my... Can you see me?
Yeah, why do you have your penis out on my TikTok?
No, that's not real. You're lying to me. You're right.
That's really fucking weird looking. Oh my god.
What? Who was that?
That's my second. I talk them often.
Are you replacing me?
No.
You're replacing me. You can be honest with me.
No.
I don't know. Like, it just seemed like you were having way more fun with her than you've had with me in like the past, like 3 months.
Oh, wasn't?
I don't know, man. You just had like a smile on your face. You know what I mean?
Well, I don't know. It's complicated, man. I don't know. Why have to
What's
be
her
all
name?
this? Like, do you have to do this publicly right now? Like, what the fuck?
What's her name? Tell me. What is her name?
I don't know.
Oh, so you're replacing me with someone you don't even know their name?
Yeah, the internet's a crazy place.
Well, you know what? I hope that she gives you belly rubs that are half as good as the belly rubs that I give you.
Okay, well, that's not true.
I'm just saying, you know what I mean? Like, you think it's easy to replace me, but she probably doesn't do it as good as I do.
Oh, God. Like, you had to be so parasocial, I barely know you. You're just like my mutual on Twitter.
We have a podcast together, okay? And for two dudes like us, you know what that means.
Well, it means that we're white because we have a podcast.
It's a commitment, you know what I mean? It's a lot.
Whatever, man. I don't know.
Whatever, man. I've said enough.
All right. It's just like, what the fuck? Like, what was that? Like, I just wanted to go to on live and like get away from my problems, and then like my problems get like brought to me. You know what I mean? Like, I know I've talked to that guy on Twitter a couple times, but like, he's making shit up. Like, I don't know. I think he's in heat. I definitely do. Like, he's with the way he was talking, he definitely seemed horny. Like, I definitely think that's the reason why, but like, I don't know. Like, I'm not like that, so. Oh. What happened? I don't want to talk about. Let's drop it. Hey, let's drop it. Oh. I did not mean to moan. That was like a sigh of discomfort. Oh. I got a blue house with a blue window. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, like I hit that right now, didn't I? I got a blue house for a blue window. I got a girlfriend and she is so blue. Okay, guys, I'm going to do my own cover of that soon. You can check that. Bedtime Hoover? I will go to bed for one. I used to say galaxy, and now I'm going to be asking for those damn whales. Give me a whale. Give me a whale. Give me a whale. Oh. I got a girlfriend and she is so blue. Can you start tweeting out when you're live? I'm missing this shit. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, I just woke up. Yo, what's up, everybody? I just woke up. Yo, what's up? Nothing, I just fucking woke up. My sleep schedule is so fucked, like, I don't even know. I just, like, it's fucked. Why are you blue? Like, I don't know. I don't know. Bro's as silly as Billy? How do I pin a comment? I just like my own stream. Wait, I can do that? Can I just spam my own stream with likes? Give myself some likes. I love myself. Oh. Hello.
I love you. I'm from Syria.
Oh, cool. I'm from
Syria. Thank you. I love you. We're from Syria. I love you so much.
I love you.
I
I'm from
love you.
It's McConnell.
Wake up. Let's go. I love you so much.
Oh, I can't. I can't. There we go.
شكرا perfect. شبابكم سكت بسوء لازمكم شكرا perfect. يمكنك الفوز. Yeah. Get up.
He's screaming at me.
I love you so much.
What was that? What was that? What are you doing that for at me? Doing the
Oh yeah, guys, welcome. Guys, please, my friend, let's go, please.
How can I lose if I'm already chose? Like,
Welcome, my friend. Help, my friend. Please help, my friend. I love you, ربعي يا ربعي الله يعزكم يا ربعي. أطاطير مطر شكرا I love you so much. Love you, my friend. Love you. شكرا my friend. شكرا. I love you too, my friend. Welcome. إنني لا أعرف. ليس لدي أحد. لماذا الرقم لا يتحرك؟ لا أعرف. لماذا الرقم لا يتحرك؟ ماذا؟ رقم شكرا. الله رجوز الله رحيم. شكرا.
Are you all among?
كيف شباب؟ كيف سوالي؟ Thank you so much. Welcome, my friend. Bad, I love you guys. شباب, take this.
You got it, right? We agree on that?
Allah يسكم. شكرا guys. شكرا my friend. I love you. Love you very much. Please guys, stop up. Guys, please, you said me. Get for please guys. I follow. Got that scream, my friend. Please help my friend. Please train my friend. Please lend my friend. Please guys, follow the scream guys. I want to take a piece of share. Control my friend, said me, give a please, God, please like, please follow the screen. I take peace, share, رب. Allah يسكن so much. شكرا غالي, شكرا شباب, شكرا رابع, my friend said me, give my friend please, thank you.
Yeah, fell off with this one. Like,
I love you so much, guys, Robert, guys, follow, guys. Said me, give God life follow that stream away the كل شيء.
Cereal.
I love so much. Allah Muslims Allah my Khalifa. كبس ربعي. شد شباب كده away. Thanks so much. Yes.
Who farted? Ew, I smell it.
Wilka. God, we go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, love me.
4, 2,
1,
1. Happy New Year! Yeah.
مبروك الفوز.
Okay, they're requesting me from. They have somebody that's doing it for them. Hoover, you're getting an ego. How? They requested me even though they were both not even moving their hands. Why that even happened? It's because like they requested me, and I accepted it. I accepted it. Okay, my parents died now. For real, for real. We need Oxel's response. I love Oxel. Genuinely, I love that man more than anyone in the world. So if anyone thinks that I'm fucking around, I am, obviously. How can I lose if I'm already chose? Alright guys, I want to go to bed. Follow me on Twitch. Twitch.tv/ Hoover. Thank you so much for that, Clay Stings. You don't stream on Twitch? I'm going to be streaming soon. So, yeah. And follow me on social media. And yeah, I guess, whatever. Bye-bye. Good night.